So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to check browsing history on Spectrum Wi-Fi router, logs, parental control and limits. So importance are Spectrum router usually do not display the exact website visited. If you want detailed website monitoring, you may need advanced parental control tools or DNS filtering services. So method first is check activity using Spectrum admin URL. Connect your phone or computer to the Spectrum Wi-Fi network, open a browser and enter 192.168.1.1 in the address bar. Log in using the router's admin username and password. Go to advanced settings and open logs or activity log. The log may show device connection, block sites or network events, but it usually does not display detailed website history. Second method is check activity using the Spectrum app. Install and open the My Spectrum app on your phone. Sign in with your Spectrum account credentials. Tap services and select internet. Open devices to see all devices connected to your Wi-Fi network. This helps you monitor which device are using the network and when they are active, which can give an idea of internet usage. Third one is check browsing history or individual devices. If you need to see the actual website visited, check the browser history on the device. Open the web browser used on the phone or computer, tap or click the menu, then select history, view the list of previous visited website. Thank you.